it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent your liquid matte lipstick from looking so dry. But first, go on over and check out my website at www.NeeCJae.net. Go on over and check that out and subscribe by entering your email in that as well. Alright, so I start off with this coffee sugar scrub on my lips, and I apply it. It smells so good, smells just like coffee. And I apply this on my lips, and I start exfoliating in a circular motion. For extra exfoliation, I use a toothbrush, and I just really get in there and clear out that dry skin from my lips. This also really makes it really soft and really easy for any kind of lipstick to apply to your lips. And I cleanse it off with one of those makeup towels that I have. So I just wipe it off with that really good, and also I turn it over and dry it really good. So now I'm applying my chapstick from Bees Honey. It's really moisturizing. My lips feel so good and moisturized. So I do this before, and then I apply my makeup on my face, and then I come back. Okay, so after I do this, my makeup is already applied. I'm using my London Rimmel Coffee Bean Liner. It's a brown. I can't find my wine liner in MAC, but this will do. So my lipstick, my makeup is already done, my foundation. So I just go in now and just line my lips. I take my time. I may go over it a couple of times because this is where I really define my lips. So it's just like coloring. You outlining it first, and then you go back in and fill it in. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And I like to color in a little bit in the inner corners. It just seems like it gives the lip color more depth. You know, it just really looks really good to me. So now Devotion, this is Devotion number 14 by Milani, one of my favorite lippies, matte lippies, but it's so drying, so very drying. So what I do, I dip it in there one time, and I just apply it, just one layer on my lips. I don't dip it back in and apply anymore, and I just apply right into as you can tell, right where it is. And then I do the top the same way. At first I apply inside of the lines, and then I go right over the lines, because when you go over the lines, it makes your lips look fuller and plumper. And I don't dip back in. If I need more, I just turn my wand, my makeup lipstick wand over, and just use what's on that one time. I don't keep dipping in. It seems like when you keep dipping in and applying it, it makes it drier and drier. More applications seem like it's drier, and you don't need to make it drier with Milani lipsticks. That formula is already dry, but the color is so amazing. So I'm using this little brush with my concealer that matches my face complexion perfectly, and I'm just cleaning it up to make it a flawless, perfect look. Okay guys, so this is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Check out my previous video if you have not. Hi you guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with some of my favorite products. Cream of Nature I've been using a lot for my twist outs lately when I do them sometimes.